All right, Rancho Mafia, we snuck out here today with the Sherp. So we are going to spin this camera around and shoot a little Sherp video. It is super flooded. There is nowhere to park. You got to park across the street if you have any hope of getting back in here. So let me show you what you guys are actually interested in seeing. Hey, if you guys haven't got the PubSafe mobile app, you guys want to download that. It shares your location with other app users, and if you need help, it'll actually broadcast a help request out to the other users. Looks like you found some kind of hole over there. Let's see how he gets out of it. Spin it around, pop it up over the edge. It's first time driving, so that probably gave him a bit of an interesting feeling. What'd you hit over there?
Little Wolfie over there.
I was like,
I thought something gonna flip me right now over. That thing's awesome, dude.
Well, that was cool. You know, you just kind of spun it and it got traction, popped you right back out. So awesome.
That's freaking awesome, man.
Well, let me jump in. There you go. You keep driving.
Okay. Yeah, no, that's awesome.
There's the inside of this. That's how you steer. It's just got a simple chain-driven system, and you brake one side to turn to the left, brake the other side to turn to the right. It'll be a drop-off, so hit it at like 90 degrees, and then turn that way. Goes right up to the glass.
Yeah. There we go. The change drive is pretty responsive.
Change.
Yeah. That's letting it out.
That's letting it out, right? So if we need more traction, we let the air out of the tires, and we go from having 2 or 3 treads on the ground to having 6 or 8 on the ground. And the tires only need 1 to 3 psi, 3 psi being fully inflated. So there's the PubSafe app. You can find it on Android and iOS. The sides of the tires are 4-ply, so they're flexible. And then the front surfaces are 8-ply, so they're puncture resistant. And what we have in here are actually fluid cells. You can put gas in there, you can fill it with water if you wanted to. So that's about as low as you would go. Like they should be filling up faster. There we go. I can see them now. Once it's up, then you turn the valve and lock the air in. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right, what you got?
114.
All right, that's probably good. So now we'll turn this off and then close that valve. There you go. All right, we're back in business, so we'll cruise back up to the front.
All right.
This one's actually got an AC unit, which is nice. Weather's beautiful today, so it's not necessary, but then we got a couple storage boxes in the back. Nice volley system for holding gear. Is this the way we came?
I have no idea.
Oh, back the other way. Turn and roll over that. Well, you missed it. There you go. Alright. Watch out. Hang right.
Nice.
This is the easy stuff too. I mean, when it's low and it's muddy,
Yeah.
you're really starting to see what it can do. These are the LED lights. I had to put LED lights all the way around so we can operate at night. Here's your tire pressure, temperature, fuel gauge, battery voltage, and engine hours. We basically got it set up for search and rescue.
Yeah.
Then what we'll do is we'll go down here, we'll take a right, and then we'll go into the backside of the pond and swim across the pond and come out over by the front.
All right. Just tell me where to take that right.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Let's see. We're gonna go to the right. Watch the branches.
Big ass log.
Just go over it slowly. It's amazing how little you feel along.
Yeah, man. Check that shit out. Log. Fuck that log.
So go straight to that island, and then we're gonna stay to the left of that island.
All right.
Go down that way.
It says yes, sir.
Deep through here. We're gonna go up over that berm over there.
Oh, somebody lost their tent. There's some good water flow through here. See up over here?
What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in first, and then when you go over the berm, you start getting downhill momentum. You just
I'm going into that lake over there.
Yep. Then you're just gonna let off the clutch and let the momentum carry us through. You don't want to be braking when you're going into a body of water or down a hill. Straighten up just a little bit. There you go. Now go straight through the grasses over there.
There you go, catch. That's awesome, man.
Let's go back around that way. Just oh, we stalled it. Now what, soldier? Better not make me walk over there and get my.
Hey, good question. Where's the start button?
You got to turn the black key forward.